Are you ready to fly? Then let's get started. In this video, we will turn our drone into a jet by adding a windshield and wing control surfaces. This will complete the basic build and allow us to get started with our final chapter on painting and texturing. We're almost ready to fly! To get started, let's select all the pieces of the jet and use Ctrl-A to apply all the transforms. This way, if we move something accidentally, we can use the Alt-G, S, or R keystrokes to fix mistakes. Then, to tidy up the space, let's hide all the pieces we're not working on with the H key.
Next, create a cube. We're going to use it with the Boolean difference modifier. If you turn your cube's faces inside out, we can cut the geometry without making a hole. You'll see why that's a good idea in a minute.
While we're still in edit mode, we can just duplicate the geometry of our bad boy cube and create the shapes for the other two windshield pieces. And don't worry, I know how to deal with them. Now we can add a Boolean difference modifier to the fuselage and use the cube to make the cut. When we hide the cube, you can see what your windows will look like. Since we haven't applied the modifier yet, we can go back and line up the cube edges so they're as close as possible to edges in the fuselage mesh. You're going to have lots of extra vertices now. You can either dissolve them or move them to the nearest edge with Shift-V in Vertex Snap mode. Once you do this with all of them, select everything and use the Merge Nearest feature to delete the duplicates. Just to be sure, check each vertex using Box Select in X-ray mode to make sure there are no duplicates.
If you find a few odd-shaped faces, there's an easy fix. Just do this. Everything's great. Let's apply texture and make a mirror of this section. I'll fast forward so you don't get bored.
Sometimes, when you let humans drive a computer, they make mistakes. This is why I should always drive. Anyway, the fix is easy. Now let's join the cockpit back to the fuselage object. Don't forget that the joint edges have separate vertices, so you have to select them and merge by distance. This should remove exactly 240 vertices. After doing the stabilizers, it's the same cowboy, different rodeo. Just be sure to close the barn door when you're done. Am I allowed to say that here?
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You're clear for arrival. I'm so excited! We get to paint next time!